Hello everyone, we're going to be replacing this commercial lever that is not retracting the latch all the way with a new commercial grade Dexter privacy function lever. And you can see I'm currently trapped in the bathroom, which is why they called me out, because customers were being trapped in the bathroom because it is not retracting the latch fully. Now we're going to use a little O-ring puller, which is a handy little tool that goes in my EDC or everyday carry bag for just this lovely occasion. You'll notice that there's no security function on here at all. There's no dead latch. The dead latch is the portion that would come on as an external portion of that latch that would catch on the strike plate and prevent what I just did from happening. So the reason that this is an important lock function to understand is understanding why it works the way that it works. Now, in this particular application, this door had a stripped screw on it as well. It would not come undone. So I'm using a carbide bit with my little Dremel tool or Milwaukee high-speed tool to pull that apart. You'll also notice that the entire chassis is done. It's completely roached out and not working at all. Sometimes this could have been a situation where simply replacing the latch might have solved the problem and they might not have had to purchase an entire new lever set. But as you could see when we pulled the chassis out, the chassis internal components did not spring back into place. So everything had to be replaced. The entire lock needs to be replaced. And that's what we're going to do with this Dexter Commercial Grade lever. This is an ADA compliant lever, which is the only kind that we carry on the truck. It's going to also have the ability to take the through bolts off in a non-security application like this, which would be perfectly fine. And let's take a second and talk about the privacy function. The privacy function is specifically designed to be shut. The way that it operates is you're supposed to shut the door and then you push the button in and the door stays locked. If you push the button in and then shut the door, as I'm going to show right now, the button comes back unlocked. And the reason they do that is so nobody accidentally pushes the button in and then shuts the door behind them and leaves people locked out of the bathroom. It's a design feature, not a broken lock. And I've had people try and explain to me, well, we've locked the door, but then when we shut it, it unlocks automatically. And it's actually working exactly the way that it's supposed to. For those reasons. You can also unlock using a flat blade screwdriver or a coin of some sort, anything that goes in that flat spot, to unlock the door if somebody does get trapped inside. For more information, check out your supplier for your Dexter Commercial Grade levers. Thanks for watching.